help move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Prunedale local and long-distance movers near me. If you're wishing to take the stress and anxiety out of your move, our qualified movers make your long-distance move less complicated. Whether you're moving one state over or you want to move across the country, we are here to assist you. Our moving services give you all the right choices to personalize your move for your particular needs. Along with the general long-distance moving solutions, we also provide each of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It might not be simple to reconcile the expense of choosing a California moving company. However, if you start to recognize the advantages, the cost seems well worth it. You gain the advantage of saving time on your local move, which could be well worth it. You will also get to avoid the heavy lifting, which means no threat of injury. Our moving crew can make it easy to get to your new location without having nearly as much concern. Moving day becomes easier with 3 Movers since we improve your whole entire move. A move that would take you all weekend to execute, we can deal with in one morning. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Prunedale moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.